How to access local channels on YouTube TV. Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explain how to access local channels on YouTube TV. Your local channels, such as ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox affiliates, are determined by your current home area. Let's learn how to make sure you're getting the correct local stations. To access your local channels on YouTube TV, it's primarily determined by the home area you have set for your account. YouTube TV uses your physical location to provide you with the correct local affiliates. When we first set up your YouTube TV account, you are prompted to set your home area. This setting is crucial for receiving the correct local channels. To ensure you have the correct home area set, or if you've moved and need to update it, you'll need to use the YouTube TV app on a mobile device with location services enabled. Open the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account if you aren't already. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find the option related to your location or area. It might be labeled Area or Location. Tap on this option. You will see your current home area listed. If you need to update it, tap on the Update or Change option. YouTube TV will use your device's location services to verify your current physical location. Make sure you are physically located in the area you want to set as your home area when you do this. Once your location is verified, you can confirm the new home area. Your local channel lineup in the live guide will then update to show the stations available in that location. To actually watch the local channels, simply navigate to the live guide within the YouTube TV app or website on any of your devices. Your local channels will appear in the guide alongside other channels, usually near the top or in a dedicated section, depending on your guide customization. We hope this video helped you understand how to access local channels on YouTube TV. If you found this information helpful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and guides.